Hi guys, welcome to Maneuver. In this video, we'll talk about Maharashtra Law CT 5 years 2021 preparation. So just 9 months are left for this exam. So your exam will be in the month of April 2021 guys. So those who are in 12th standard as of now, they all have to prepare from now onwards, because after immediately completion of your 12th board examination, immediately you have to appear for this exam. So March mid around आपका 12th board finish होगा, and after then immediately April month में आपका Law CT का exam आ जाएगा 5 years. So in this video I'll be talking about the complete planning part and very important announcement, which is nothing but the All India mock test competition. So first of all, let me talk about the mock test competition guys, which is free mock test competition, which is on 5th of July 2020. And you can write this mock test on your mobile phone, laptop or desktop. So this mock test competition score will tell you how much you have prepared, where you stand today for your CET 2021 preparation. Also, after writing this mock test, you will get to know what type of the question comes in the exam, so that you can get the feel of the actual paper, and also you'll be getting the All India ranking guys. So this mock test competition is very important and helpful to all the Law CT 5 years aspirant. So how can you register for this free mock test competition? I'll tell you further guys about the registration process. If you are a student and aspirant of MH Law CT 5 years 2021, then you should definitely participate in All India mock test competition guys. And if you are a parents and watching my this video, and if you are thinking कि आपके बच्चे को law में जाना चाहिए, or the child who is thinking about his or her career into the law, then you should definitely ask them to participate in this mock test. For any guidance or the query, you can contact on this number. Okay, so if you want to register for this mock test, so there is a link in the description box, so kindly check the link in the description guys. So after clicking on that link, you have to fill your name, contact number, email ID, from which state you belong to, and the city. So if you are a Maharashtra student or outside Maharashtra student, kindly fill your detail accordingly. So this mock test will held on 5th of July, which is on Sunday. So it is only 1 day window guys, after then window will close. So the day you are watching this video, kindly register for this mock test. And also don't forget to share this video to all your friends, those who are planning to write MH Law CT 5 years 2021. Okay, further let's talk about the planning part. As I have told you initially कि अपने पास 9 months से preparation को लेके, but 9 months अपने पास नहीं है guys. We just have July, August, September, October, November, December. Just 6 months we have, where you will be dedicatedly preparing for this exam, because January, February and mid of March ये टाइम पे आप आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम में 12th के बोर्ड एग्जाम में बिजी रहोगे. सो इफ यू आर इन 12th स्टैंडर्ड एज ऑफ नाउ, सो डोंट कंसिडर दीज 3 months गाइस. So after mid of March you will be free from your 12th board. After then you can focus on your CET preparation, जो कि mid of March, and some days in April also you will be getting. So that is why I have divided this preparation in terms of the phases. Phase 1, Phase 2 and Phase 3. July and August ये 2 महीने आपको आपके बेसिक पे काम करना है, एंड जितने भी हैंडआउट्स के क्वेश्चन है, देयर आर 25 to 30 हैंडआउट्स क्वेश्चन, वो आपको कंप्लीट करने हैं. एंड 20 क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम योर मैन्यूअर बुक्स. देयर आर 50 क्वेश्चन, बट इनिशियली फेज 1 में आपको सिर्फ 20 क्वेश्चन ही करने हैं गाइज. सो रफली इन फेज 1 पर टॉपिक आपने अप्रॉक्सीमेट 40 से 50 क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस कर लिए, विच मीन्स यू हैव डन गुड नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस, एंड ऑल्सो यू हैव थरो विथ योर बेसिक. फेज 2 इज अबाउट द सेप्टेम्बर एंड अक्टूबर, वेर यू विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग द टॉपिक टेस्ट, एंड जो रिमेनिंग 30 क्वेश्चन है बुक के आपके, वो खत्म करना है अपने को. एंड आफ्टर देन वर्क ऑन योर शॉर्टकट लर्निंग, शॉर्टकट ट्रिक्स एंड ऑल. दिस इज व्हाट द फेज 2. फेज 3 इज द नवंबर एंड दिसंबर, वेर यू विल कंप्लीट योर सिलेबस. एंटायर सिलेबस कंप्लीट हो जाएगा आपका. आफ्टर देन यू विल फोकस मोर ऑन योर फुल लेंथ टेस्ट सीरीज, एंड आफ्टर एनालाइजिंग योर मॉक स्कोर you will work on your weak areas. So if you have joined our live preparation class, तो उस live class में आपका phase 1 and phase 2 complete हो जाएगा, and doubts will also be taken care. And in case if you have not joined, then you can join our live preparation batch. Books you will get by courier. After learning the basic, we go for the shortcuts. Ebooks, which is nothing but your handout access, you will get on the portal itself. There will be motivation session, which is very important. And after then there will be a toppers meetup. So जहाँ पे आपसे टॉपर्स बात करेंगे, they will tell their preparation strategy, their secret code to crack the exam, and how they have get into the GLC Mumbai, ILS Pune and other top law colleges. So from July to December we will be preparing hard, and by December we complete entire syllabus, test series and everything. And after mid of March, when you will come back from your 12th board, then we'll do one fast track revision. So those who want to join our online live preparation batch, you can call or WhatsApp on 8828581455, this number, or else you can log on to manuedu.com website. Our online team will help you with regards to all the query, all the doubt regarding the online preparation, how to crack this exam. Also you can post your doubt and query in the comment box guys. I'll be happy to reply you. And once again guys, do register for All India free mock test competition. All the very best for your preparation. Thank you.